Making a simple pie crust with flour, butter, vanilla extract, and water. Everything had to be super cold. It was a disaster and I definitely messed up, but I'm gonna show you. At this moment, I messed up.
I hope this thing come out right because I don't know.
It's not, friend. It's not.
I don't have a lot of confidence in this one. Like,
You
look, it's
shouldn't.
already breaking apart. I don't know. We're gonna see. I hope I could save it.
You will.
Otherwise, I'm gonna have to start all the way back over.
Food too high for that. We gonna make it work.
Maybe I didn't add enough water to it.
You definitely did not.
That's so crazy. Because the first time I did this, it was perfect.
This is why you need to write down your ingredients and what you doing and measure. But
Actually,
you
I'm
not.
not gonna add no more water. I think I just need to like kind of bring it together. Let's see if I can roll this out. Let's see if I can keep it together. Lord, where did I go wrong with you? My first pie crust was so perfect, and now I don't know what's going on. Okay. You know what? Probably because did I use this the last time? Maybe I just was pressing it. No, I had to use something because ain't no way. It was flat. Okay. I should have recorded myself so I could have remembered.
It's the shenanigans for me, but don't give up. This is why you just gotta keep going.
Okay. There we go. Now we looking like something.
Do anybody else talk themselves through stuff when they struggling? Or is it just me?
Still breaking apart. I hope it hold in the oven at least. Still breaking apart. You know what? I need a little bit more flour.
At this point, I had hope, but you just want to keep smashing it together and making sure it makes like a circle and that is going to actually hold. I think I also added a little water to my hands at some point here as well. Now, I don't know why I decided to flip it over, but it held, so it was fine. But I don't think you have to do that part. So you want to keep rolling and you really want to be making a circle. I don't know what I was making. I was just trying to get it done. But I'm just going to like break the pieces off and turn it into a circle at the end. So it was fine.
So you just want to measure your pie crust with your pie pan just to make sure. And mine is a little bit too big, but I'm going to leave it alone because I'm scared I'm going to do something. So I'm going to leave it too big for right now. And then I'll cut it once I lift it. And I'm using parchment paper so it won't stick, but it's still kind of stuck. So let's see what happens. I know it's an easier way to do this. Oh no, that part isn't working. Well, what the? Why you come off? And you were the perfect round part that I needed. You ridiculous. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it off. Whatever. All right, let's see how we. I'm gonna fix it. It's pie crust. All you do is start pressing pieces on them. So let's start pressing some pieces. I'm the one eating it. All right, and then I'm just, y'all can't even see what I'm doing. I'm just breaking this part off and adding it to the other part. I told y'all from the beginning on this page, I am not a cook. I just be doing stuff and seeing what happens. And usually it work out, but sometimes it's a disaster. All right. I'm gonna come back when I'm done. All right, y'all. I just want that part a little bit higher on that side. Now the real question is it gonna be able to come from out of here after I'm doing all this smashing? The only part with a cute little crust is gonna be that side, and that's fine with me. Okay, let's make the little quiche part.